Hi everyone, my name's Katarina from 5 Hearts Refinishings. I've got a new tool in the shop today and I wanted to go over it with you real quick. So let's get started. Okay gang, so new tool inside the shop. I'm really excited about this. I have a mini jig and honestly it works great, but it's just not convenient. When I'm working on bigger projects, I really do need speed and efficiency. So I picked myself up a Kreg Pocket-Hole Jig 520 Pro. It's really neat looking. It can go in different directions as you need and what you're building. So I'm going to be building a base. This is cool. Here's my clamp. Here's the actual jig set itself. Has a little trigger and then a compression handle there so you can push it and release it, and then obviously lock it in place when you're done with that. Good thing about this one is if you're working on something and you need the versatility of this to be vertical or horizontal instead of vertical, it allows you to do that. So here you can see I can compress against the wood. It locks it in and it's not going anywhere, and then based on what measurement I need, I lock it in and adjust accordingly. Oh, and this is the other thing I'm talking about here. So if you have a horizontal piece that you need to drill in downwards here, which I will be needing that to happen, then you can attach it like this. Clamp it down, hold it down, screw it in. It comes with its own bit. Okay. KregJig bits are exceptionally strong. They're very long-lasting and durable. Has its own drilling bit as well. See if I can get this closer. Comes with some 1 1/4 inch and 2 1/2 inch starter screws. Comes with a drill stopper and a little wrench to help do my measurements. And it's so cute how they have like the little mounts here on the little wrench here. And then it comes with its own starter kit, pocket hole starter kit, with a whole bunch of screws, and each little one here, there's a material thickness on it, and it tells you what the length would be and the length here on this side and whatnot. So a couple different options for you depending on your project. And it comes with this neat little carrying case. Keep everything contained. Hard plastic, so it's quite durable. So that's my newest little tool. Just wanted to share that with you all. Very excited to use this. I'm building a base for a dresser, so I need to make sure that it is strong, and let's be honest, Kreg projects make everything strong, so I'm really excited to get started on this. It's going to be in one of my new videos, so make sure you stick around for that. It will be coming in, not next video, but the video after. So I will be showcasing this product in that dresser rebuild, so make sure you stick around. If you're in the middle of a project and this is something that you think might help you complete this project faster and give you that really professional look, make sure you check out KregTool.com. They have everything listed on that website, and I will put the link in the description below. I have a brand new video coming up this weekend, so make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you know when it's coming, and I will see you guys very soon. Have yourselves a great day. Bye for now.